In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alter cell padding in Google Sheets. While Google Sheets doesn't have true CSS-style padding, you can create the same clean, spacious look using alignment and simple resizing. I'll walk you through opening your file, then show you 3 reliable ways to add visual breathing room inside your cells. Start by heading to Google in your browser. In the top right, click the grid-shaped Google Apps Launcher, then choose Sheets. Open the spreadsheet you want to adjust so we can work directly in it. First, let's simulate padding with alignment. This is the closest equivalent to actual padding in Sheets. Select the cell or range you want to format. On the toolbar, click the horizontal Align icon. Choosing left places content toward the left edge and leaves more open space on the right. Center balances the space evenly on both sides. Right moves content to the right edge and leaves space on the left. Next, adjust the vertical position. Click the vertical align control and choose middle. That centers your text top to bottom, instantly making the cell feel less cramped and more polished. If you want more top and bottom cushion, increase row height. Select the row or rows you're working with, then right-click and choose Resize Row. Enter a larger value, for example somewhere in the 40 to 60 pixel range, depending on your font size and how airy you want the layout to feel. This directly increases the vertical spacing inside each cell. Pairing this with middle vertical alignment keeps the content neatly centered, so the extra space looks intentional rather than uneven. For added room on the left and right, widen your columns. Select the column or columns you want to adjust, right-click, and choose Resize Column. Enter a wider value to create more horizontal space within each cell. After widening, set your horizontal align to left, center, or right, based on the look you prefer and the type of data in the column. Left alignment often works best for labels, while numbers can look great centered or right-aligned. To recap, use alignment to quickly simulate padding without changing your layout, increase row height for top and bottom spacing, and widen columns for left and right spacing. These 3 approaches give you fine control over the breathing room in your cells, helping your sheets look cleaner, more readable, and professional. Apply them together where it makes sense, and you'll get that padded look in just a few clicks.